My name is Ramai Tsepiso, first year student, assignment 6, BPT group 57T. My topic is about rainbow. So I'm gonna explain how rainbow is formed. I'm going to explain again how does rainbow occur, or why do we see it in the sky. So let's get to it without further ado. Rainbow appears in the sky with many colors. What is a rainbow? Because as it is stated on the slide that it appears in the sky with many colors. What is a rainbow? It's a naturally occurring optical phenomenon caused by a sunlight reflecting off water droplets in the atmosphere, creating a multicolored arc in the sky. So a rainbow, this is how a rainbow is formed. Water droplets falling off from the sky plus a sunshine that is reflecting through those water droplets that are falling from the sky. It causes what? A reflection, or someone may say a refraction. So when we look up the sky, what will we see? We see, what is it? A rainbow, because the droplets and the sun shining through those water droplets, they cause a reflection. And when we observe above, or when we observe in the sky, when the process is occurring, what do we see? We see a rainbow. That is how rainbow is formed. So we are gonna go through the colors of the rainbow together, because it has how many colors? I'm sure it has 7 colors. Let's get to it, to the next slide. As I've said, rainbow has 7 colors, and they usually appear like this, because even me, myself, and I have never seen other colors than this one. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Violet is always the last one. They come in this way always. Red is always on top, orange second, yellow, green, blue, and so on and so on. So now we're gonna get to the colors, what they mean to each and every individual, because every color has its own representation according to some cultures. So we're starting off with what? We're gonna start off with red. Red. What do red symbolizes, or what does red mean to other people or other cultures or context? Red simply means love. Red can also mean passion. Red can also mean energy. So it depends on each other or on individual, what does this color red means to them. But most, I have seen an example where people during Valentine's Day, they wear the color what? Red, to show that they are in love, because red is represent love to them. The next color is orange. Orange, to some cultures or context, it represents creativity, it represents enthusiasm, it represents excitement. It represents excitement. So when you see orange, or whenever you see orange appearing on the rainbow, or someone wearing the color orange, to them it might mean creativity, enthusiasm, or excitement. Another color is what? Yellow. Yellow means happiness, optimism, and sunshine. If you see someone wearing yellow or where it appears on a rainbow, just know that it means happiness, optimism, sunshine. Another color is green. Green solely represents nature. It represents growth. It represents harmony. It represents what? Balance. If you go to the nature reserve, you go to the forest or the bushes when you are at home, what will you see in the bushes or in the forest? Or what are the trees, the colors of the trees? Green. That's what it represents. The next color is blue. Blue represent calmness. Blue represent a trust. Blue represent serenity. So if you see someone wearing the color blue or when it appears on the rainbow, you have your own definitions, or it means calmness, trust, serenity, or it can mean other things. Another color is indigo. Indigo means introspection, wisdom, and creativity. If you see indigo appearing on the rainbow or someone wearing an indigo color, just know that they have felt some introspection within oneself. They have wisdom and creativity. The last but not least is violet. Violet Violet means imagination, luxury, spirituality. So this is the last color of the rainbow. It's violet. To some it means imagination, some it means luxury, to some it means spirituality. I'm sure some of you have seen other churches where they wear violet color. To them, I'm sure it means spirituality. So colors can have different meaning in various cultures and context. So I was just highlighting the colors of the rainbow, what it can mean to individual self or what they symbolizes. And all those colors that I've mentioned, there is no bad color. All of them are beautiful. They represent beautiful things. That's how it is. And I'm sure you have realized that rainbow is in a circular form. You have never seen a rainbow appearing in a straight line form. It is always in a circular form. So I was just highlighting these colors of the rainbow and how rainbow is formed, because colors can also evoke personal emotions and memories. And I've heard and seen some people saying they are gonna travel, fly, and find the end of the rainbow. But I can guarantee you that today there is no end of a rainbow. As you move, rainbow also do what? It also move. So you can never get to the end of the rainbow or the starting point of the rainbow. They appear the way that you see them. As you move, they move. No matter how fast or slow that do, whatever the pace, rainbow can never be found, or the end of the rainbow can never be found. So there is no treasure at the end of the rainbow. It's just a multicolored that appear after the sunshine has light and cause the reflection through those water droplets. This was my presentation. I thank you.